Hey guys, so this is my latest BOXYCHARM box, and I actually only subscribed because I wanted to get access to their shop. They do have every month, they have a drop shop or a mega drop shop, which is amazing products for very discounted prices. And if you are not a current subscriber, but you're a former subscriber, you will eventually get access to it. I think after about a week, they will give you access to the shop. But if you want to have immediate access to the shop, you do have to be a current subscriber. But luckily, you can subscribe for just 1 month and then cancel it if you don't want to continue. So this month's box I got for 50% off. So that made it, I believe, like $13. And I was a little disappointed because the box was supposed to have totally different products. But I guess because they ran out of the current month's box, they just sent out sort of a random older box, which is kind of lame because it's a little bit of like a bait and switch. I'm sure probably somewhere in the fine print it says they can actually send you out whatever they want to, but you know, you see the ads for the current month and you see those products and you're like kind of excited about them, and so you subscribe. But just be aware that if you do sign up later in the month, it's possible they might send you a different month's box if they run out. So that's just something to keep in mind, because I don't like these products as much as what I was supposed to get for the month, what this month's was supposed to be. So this is a Detox hair serum, and I might use this. You know, I might give away most or all of these. I'm not super excited about these. So this is a Detox hair serum. I've never heard of this brand, The Lifestyle Co. It's a nutrient plant scalp treatment. Oh, scalp treatment. So you're supposed to rub it right into your scalp. I would think that would make your scalp a little greasy, but it's interesting. Okay, this is a mud masky. When I looked at this, I thought, I was like, is it mud mask sky? No, it's mud masky, I guess. Vitamin infused eye serum, and this is actually a really large size. Usually eye serums are so tiny because you only need a tiny bit of product on your eyes, but this is actually a full ounce, and it's pretty large. So I think it is sealed. So I probably will give this one away because I already have a couple eye serums, and I don't know when I would actually get around to using a whole 1 ounce of eye serum, but it looks like it could be good. It's vitamin infused eye serum, reduces dark circles. Sounds pretty good. Nourishing, firming, fragrance free. Good. And then this also I'm not super excited about. I'm sorry guys, I may leave it sealed and not show you guys what it looks like inside because I really think I probably want to just give this away. But it's the Grande Glow Plumping Liquid Highlighter, which is a little weird. I've never heard of a highlighter that plumps. Are they trying to say that like you put a little bit on your cheek or on your temple and it will plump that area? I don't know. It says French Pearl. So I don't know about that. I'm not sure how I feel about liquid highlighters. Seem like potentially a little bit messy to me. I think I prefer like a powder highlighter or like maybe like a stick, but I don't know about liquid. And this one, Hydrating Complexion Trio. So this is kind of unique. It comes with a little mirror. That's nice. It's kind of new. I've actually never heard of a hydrating powder product. Seems like kind of an oxymoron. I would think that most powder products would not be hydrating. You need to use like serums and creams and stuff like that to hydrate, but I don't know. I mean, maybe it has some hydrating properties in it, but it basically has these 3 colors. It's got like a highlighter, a bronzer, and a deepener. And I think these shades might be the right shades for me, but I'm not sure if I will keep this one either, just because I already have a lot of similar products. I've never really heard of this brand. If you guys have heard of this brand, Alamar, let me know what you think. This last one is Billion Dollar Brows, and the color is taupe, which, you know, I'm sure they probably sent this out because they thought, well, taupe is in between like blonde and dark brown, so maybe a lot of people can use it. But honestly, my brows are so dark that I feel like anything that's not pretty dark usually looks a little weird on me. Like you can usually see that there's like a different color in my brows. So I actually don't know if I will be able to use this or not. I mean, I might try it just because I could actually use another eye pencil. I don't know. I might end up trying this one. It actually does look a little dark. Well, no, actually it's not that dark. It looks pretty taupe. So I don't know. I mean, it does look like a nice, it looks like a nice product. I don't really have any complaints about the packaging, and it's nice to always have this little spoolie at the end, but I don't know. The jury's out on that color. So that was my box for this month, and again, this is not the box that was supposed to come for this month. It is an older box they sent out because they ran out of this month's box, so just be aware, you guys, that that is something that could happen if you sign up later in the month. Maybe if you're not sure what the situation is, you might want to email them, reach out to them and say like, hey, do you guys still, like if I sign up now, will I get this month's box or not? You might want to do that if you really are set on getting a particular month's box. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.